Yeah, I was out in the snake room rearranging some enclosures this morning, and Tipr heard the music cranking and he started dancing, and so did Ginger. And I opened the door and Tipr decided he wanted to come out ramming around and getting into trouble again. So here you go, all yours. You want it out that bad, huh? You want it out that bad? I brought you out. Do your thing, whatever you want to do. There we go. Go roam around some. Do your thing. Get out of your system. You just want to be right up on me, don't you? Where you going? Where you going, big boy? Say, I'm out. I'm free again. See? You didn't have to take off in the snake room. I bring you out all the time. You didn't have to do that, looking at the camera. Aren't you handsome? Yes, you are. Your ball pythons can get this big if you give them exercise. It has nothing to do with how much food you pound into them. What it has to do with is their activity levels and their exercise that they get that turns their body fat into muscle. Say, April, I'm out. Yay! I'm out. You gonna get back in your tote again? You're silly. You gonna get back in that tote? You're big. You're a big boy. I'm glad you came back. There. What do you say we do this? What do you say we do this? Huh? Will that work for you? Here we go. This is Tipr, the one I rescued years ago. It was in terrible condition. Didn't think he was going to make it, but he did. He's the one that escaped out of the enclosure 2 weeks ago. But he found me laying on the futon watching television, so that was a win-win situation. The advantage of having social snakes is they come to you when they feel insecure. Hey, what are you doing? Huh? Hi. What are you doing? Hey, big boy. He's old. He's what, 17 years old? Ginger, my female's 19. You got a bug on your neck. He's like, what the heck is that? Get that off me. You want to get back in there? You can if you want to. He wants to roam around. This guy loves to be on the go. He's a lot like me that way. Like I told my friends last night on Facebook, it's a miracle if I can sit down and watch a 2-hour movie. I sit there and I start getting all these brainstorms. I jump up and start going, find something else to do. Like this morning, I went out there to check on the cages and the snakes. I ended up moving some of the enclosures over, swapping some of the snakes over to different enclosures. Why did I do that? Because I hate to see my snakes get bored. Give them a new environment once in a while. Change things up for them. Put different things in for them. Even if you just switch them to another enclosure, you're changing that environment. So they're not bored with the same stuff all the time. I do that all the time. I'm forever swapping my snakes over in different enclosures. You want to get into everything, don't you? You're eating today, so is Ginger. He's not skinny, he's sleek, but he's not skinny and he's strong as a bull. Oh, I want to go over there. How about we go over here? Okay, do your thing. You're silly. You're fast. I kid you not. One of the worst bites I ever got was from Ginger, my female ball python. I mean, bad bite. It was bruised for weeks and it hurt so bad. And that was just a 5-foot ball python, so yeah. They have a lot of strike force on them for being small, laid-back snakes. You'd think they wouldn't, but they do. For being calm, laid-back snakes, they can really pack a wallop when they strike it. Here, you're just determined to go up there by the house, and I can't let you. Because I got granules out for mice and stuff around the edge of the house. There you go. There you go. Whew. It is hot, April.
Mm-hmm.
Is that the camera? You heard April's voice. Where'd that come from? He's looking. He's trying to figure out where it came from. Say something.
Tipr! Tipr, Tipr, Tipr!
He heard you. Where is she? You heard her. Where is she? Where's April? He's hunting you, look. So I know I heard her. Where is she? Where's April at? Hmm? Where's April? Say something. That's so cute. He's focused right on where you are. Did you find her? Did you find her? So I know I heard her. Where is she at? Where's April? I found her. I can't see her. Too far away from you, huh? She's over there. She's over there. Back on me. Hi there. What are you doing? What are you doing? Here. Why don't you hang out for a while and behave? Here. Why don't you behave? So there's no TV to watch out here and there's no music to listen to. I'm bored. Go roam around now. You can. I got a pocket full of stuff. I had screws and stuff in my pocket because I put a big shelf up out in the snake room behind the food pile. For my remotes and everything. Come on. There. So I'm determined to go up by the house. You can't go up by the house. We have woodchucks that'll eat you. You can't go up there by the woodchucks. No. Can't do it. I'm sweating. It's gonna be hot today. You don't need to be up there. Oh, you came over here. You're following me. That's the deal. Wherever I go, you're following me. That's all right. Proves my theory that people don't believe that our snakes do bond with us and trust us and feel safe near us. Now you're over here. I went over there, you follow me over there. Why you keep following me? You're not gonna get, you didn't follow, well you did follow me when you got out of your cage and the snake. You found me, I didn't find you. This is Tipr. He almost died when I rescued him. He was in horrible condition. Actually, the vet said he didn't think he'd make it, but surprise! Love and patience and dedication works wonders with snakes. See, hey, you're picking up speed. You're picking up some speed there. Yeah, back to me. Okay. I didn't go anywhere. I'm right here. I didn't leave you. I'm right here. Yes, I am. I didn't leave you. I really didn't. Oh my God. The breeze feels good, huh, Tip? Well, like you see, we got 10 acres here and they gotta be touching me constantly. They will not go anywhere. If I get up and walk way up the driveway out back to the pole barn and the garages out there, turn around, they're right behind me on my heels following me. So no, they don't get too far away from you when they have that bond with you. Is that the camera? Is that the camera? Aren't you warm? I am. You must be warm, Tipr. I sure am. Let's go over here. There. How about that? Is that better? What are you doing? What you doing, Tip? Head up in there again. Say we can see better with our head off the ground. Common sense, people. What are you doing? You're gonna go over there and knock my tripod down, aren't you? Can't do that. Come on. Oh, back up here. There. I got you. Now what? You are warm. You're not hot, but you're warm. They are so strong. It's amazing the strength on an adult ball python. You'd never know. You'd never think so, but they are really strong bodied snakes. Especially if you take them outdoors so they can get some exercise and activities. And they're pure muscle. They're not fat snakes that lay around in their enclosures all the time doing nothing. Yep, this is the end result of active snakes. What you find? Just slowing down a little bit. Yeah, we're slowing down some. Come here. Let's go back here. There. How about that? Not so close to the camera. Maybe you won't be tempted to go knock it over for me.